Long ago, people could only talk to each other if they were in the same room. But that changed when the telephone was invented. Let's explore how these amazing devices allow us to hear someone's voice from far away, like magic. First, let's start with what a telephone does. A telephone helps people to speak to each other across long distances. Imagine wanting to tell your friend a secret from miles away. Without a telephone, you'd have to write a letter or shout really loud. Now, let's look inside a telephone to see how it works. Imagine the telephone as a bridge that carries voices. When you speak into the phone, your voice makes tiny sound waves. These sound waves are a bit like invisible ripples you might see on the water. Inside the phone, there's a special part called a microphone that turns your sound wave into an electrical signal, a kind of energy that can travel where the sound alone cannot. Picture this as your voice hitching a ride on a speedy electrical highway. This highway runs through wires, or maybe even wireless signals, like radio waves traveling through the air, to your friend's phone. There, the electrical signal meets another special part called a speaker. The speaker's job is to turn that signal back into sound waves, so your friend hears your voice, almost as if you're right next to them. You might wonder, how does it happen so fast? It's like magic, but it's actually the speed of electricity zooming at lightning speed. Kids often think that real voices travel through phone wires or waves, but it's actually these electrical signals doing the heavy lifting. The actual voices are freed near the listener by the phone's speaker. Additionally, when you dial a number, the phone sends another type of signal to a switchboard, which is like a massive, clever brain. This switchboard knows exactly where to send your signal, making sure it reaches the right telephone. These days, many telephones are actually tiny computers in our pockets, called smartphones. They not only let us talk to friends, but also allow us to send messages, play games, and find information online. So every time you pick up a telephone to call someone, you're using this incredible technology that helps connect you in the blink of an eye to anyone, anywhere in the world.